So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating 3 cozy corner vignettes for you. So let's get started. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette. And this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Let me mention who's co-hosting with us. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, we have Debbie Bubbles, and May's Design Corner. Now the theme for this month is Autumn Vibes. Now here is probably one of my favorites, okay? So I'm gonna be showing you and styling 3. So this first one has this beautiful vase that I DIY'd in black. And then we have those beautiful tall, long stem white roses. Then we have this beautiful bamboo pumpkin. I am loving it. And then we're gonna go ahead and add this beautiful black bird that I purchased from Kirkland's. Is that not beautiful, guys? I think this came out absolutely gorgeous, and I'm not sure. You tell me which one is your favorite. Let's move on over to the reveal of this one. I am absolutely loving this. It was budget friendly and look how gorgeous it is. Let's move on over to the next one, guys. Now I purchased this beautiful tray from the Dollar Tree, and I'm absolutely loving the shape. It is wood grain, and believe it or not, this tray was only $1.25. I couldn't believe it. It's a nice size. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start out decorating it with this beautiful vase that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I did get that boxwood from Walmart. So the Dollar Tree has a lot of nice items, guys, so don't sleep on it. So here I'm placing the boxwood in there. I'm just loving the greenery. I'm loving these colors, and I just think it looks beautiful, guys. Perfect size vase for this tray. Now, the Dollar Tree is also carrying these beautiful pumpkins and gourds. And this one here is the brown tone distressed. They also have the white tone distressed. It's just really beautiful. I thought this would look beautiful on the tray, and I added an acorn. Let's go to the reveal. Alright, so here's a different tray that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and this was also $1.25. Look at this color. Is this not perfect for the fall? So I'm also adding this accent piece right here. Has the same color as the tray, and it is beautiful. Now here I decided to add this neutral color bird, and I also have these pumpkins in the same color as the tray. So this is looking absolutely beautiful. I believe the bird came from Dollar General and the pumpkins came from Michael's. So this tray came out gorgeous, and we're getting ready to head on over to the reveal. So I showed you the 3 beautiful stylings. Let me know which one you like, guys. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.